Hello. In this video, we will learn about using AutoFill in Excel.
AutoFill in Excel is a handy feature that helps you to quickly fill cells with data or a series of data based on a pattern you define. Let's say I want to type in the months of the year, so I can type January. And then after that, what I can do is come here, go to the fill handle, and I can drag it down like this, and it will populate the cells with the months. So I only needed to type the first month. We can do it in the short form as well. I can type in Jan, and then I can go drag down from the fill handle, and I will get the rest of the months. You can do this for days of the week also. So if I type Monday, and then I can drag it down to get up to Sunday. The short form also works. We can type month for Monday, and then drag it down to get the other days. This also works for number series. Now let's say I want to have a number series starting with 1. I can come here and drag it down. So if it's one number, it will just copy down that number. But if you want to have a number series like 1, 2, and so on, you can type in the first 2 numbers, and then you can drag it down, and it will increase in the same sequence. You can do this for different numbers as well. So here we are increasing by 10. So if I drag it down, it will increase by 10 to 100. This also works from left to right as well. So if I type in Jan here, and I want to drag it across the columns, I can do the same way. And for days also, I can do the same. I can also drag it to the left side. So it will go in reverse. Jan, December, like that. So here also I can drag it to the left. It will go in reverse. Monday, Sunday, like that. For number sequence also, it will work the same way. So if I have 1, 2, I can drag it to the right to increase by 1. And if I drag it to the left, it will reduce by 1. So 0 minus 1 is minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 is then minus 2. So likewise, it goes by reducing 1 from each of these numbers. So if I want 10, 20 across, I can just drag it the same way. So it will increase by 10. And if I want to do it in reverse, it will decrease by 10 each to the other side as well. So this month series and this date series are appearing because they are already there in Excel as a ready-made list of months and days. We can even create our own custom lists like this. If we want this coffee product list as a custom list, we can do that. So what we need to do is we can go to File and then go to Options. And from there, we can go to Advanced. From Advanced, we can go down to, under General, we have Edit Custom List. So you click on that, and here you will see the Monday, Tuesday, this list that we saw earlier and used, they are already there. So from here, we can add a new list also. So we can come here, click on add, and then you can either type all of these items over here, or you can import. So we can come here, select all the cells that we want, then click on import. So it will come into the list entries like this. And we can then say add. And you can see that product list is now appearing there on the custom list. Then from here we can say OK and OK. And let's say here I want to type in that list over here. So first one is Cafe Americano. So if I start typing, I can drag it down like this. And I have up to chai latte. So I can create custom lists and get them to appear like this. You can also create number series. Let's say I want numbers from 1 to 100 without dragging it down. There's an option called series where you can get numbers in a sequence up to whatever number you want. So to do that, what you need to do is, here I typed in 1. Here you have to go there and do a right mouse click and then drag down and then drag up. And then when you let go, these options appear. Then from here you can go to series. And here it says, do I want series in rows or columns? So let's say I want it in columns. So I click on columns. And then there's a step value. Step value means the increase. What's the increment? So I can say step increase by 1. And I need numbers up to 100. And I can say OK. And see, it creates numbers up to whatever number you want and the increment you can give. So here we have the month end, 31st December 2024. What if I want to get the month ends for the next few months when I drag it down? So here if I normally drag it down, what happens is it will increase by one date. So 31st December 24 will become 1st of Jan 25 and 2nd, 3rd, 4th like that. That's not what I want. So I want month ends. So to do that, what I can do is I can click on the right mouse button again and drag it down to whatever cell I want to. Let's say up to here. And I let go. And then these options appear on this side. So here I want to increase by months. So that I get all the month in. So I click on fill months. And see, I get the next month ends from 31st December 24. I get then next 31st Jan 25. 28th of February 25. Likewise, I get the month ends increasing by 1 month. So that's also a useful tool.
Thanks for watching.